Day 6. Preparing for our island hopping. Excited? Yeah, we go swimming. Mommy, hi. Funning heart. Uy, so cute naman. Uy, habang may ate. Francesca, are you excited? Mm. Come on, halika na. Dito tayo sa Janhar. Ayun si Kuya Apakabet. May discount pa tayo sa tour. Kung pupunta kayo dito sa Port Barton kay Kuya na. Kaya mamaya pag nagrenta kami ng motor, saan kami pwede pumunta mamasyal? Na friendly sa bata. Kaya ba ng bata yung falls?
Ano po matayo?
Malayo.
Lakad.
Yung lakaran. Bale.
Yung white beach lang naman pero kaya naman sa Takyan.
White beach po.
Meron pala silang drinks dito. Where are we going? At the beach again. Andito tayo sa Port Barton.
I'm going to the small beach. I'm going to the small. I'm gonna go to the small ship.
Oh, small ship. Bangka. Sa Austria store, ang susungit ng tao. Ito. Kayong bibili dito pag nagpunta kayo sa Barton. Doon ka lang, dance ka.
Tara, come here. Sunblock.
Sunblock.
Day 6 sa Palawan. Aga-aga bubusitin tayo ng mga tao sa store. Ayos-ayos magtatanong, palabalagbag sumagot. So far, nakailang store na kami ang susungit ng tao. Port Barton. Ba't ganyan kayo? Ang ayos-ayos ng tanong eh. Da, 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 da. Da, yan. O ganun, put your hands up.
Cream. Ganyan, oh.
Oh, yan. Oh, yung circle mo yung put.
Fine. Yan.
Yan.
Ha?
Okay.
Ganyan.
Mama.
Pero iisang bangka tayo. Oh, you go first, anak.
Ay, jellyfish! Look at the jellyfish over there. Mabigat yan, kuya. Mabigat po.
Napamura yung nagbuhat sa'yo, anak. Bigyan mo yung si Francine yan.
Ito pa, magaan lang po ito.
Oh, Angela, kunin mo yung cellphone mo. Ako naman video mo.
Mamaya na, daw ako baba. Hindi mawala. Ikaw dito ka. Hindi mawala.
First time niyo po dito?
Tayo yung bisita. Lahat ng kasama natin foreigner, 4 lang tayo. Saan? Are you excited? Favorite color ka agad? Kaya nga, saan mo na naman linagay?
By the way, I just want to introduce myself. I'm your local tour guide for today's tour. I'm Ren.
Coming soon.
Just call me Ren. And please allow me to introduce my captain, Mr. Rick. Hello, good morning. Our motorman, Mr. Nonoy. And my crew, Jonas. And also Jericho. And we have chef. We have two chefs in this boat. We have
Wow.
Bong and Chago. Just want to greet you a good morning again. Welcome to the last frontier of the Philippines, which is Palawan, Port Barton, San Vicente. And for my lovely fellow Filipino, magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga, everyone. So we have a
So the starfish anak. Puro foreigner na lang lahat sila. Ang ganda. Puro foreigner, parang kami pa ang ano ngayon, turista. Mas masaya pala dito sa Port Barton. Paano hindi ka sasaya? Tignan mo. O, diba? Happy.
Saan tayo po pesto?
Oh, there's a lot of them.
I'm feeding them so they can.
Yeah, so throw it to you.
Papa,
So throw it to you. Take a pic. Yeah, you can actually. Oh, you're feeding them bread. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Okay na to.
Gasan ka na ako.
Oh, sige kuya.
Yeah. I mean, I can't actually see the.
Ay, laki naman ng binato mo na.
Baby, big yun. Small lang. Ate, oh, small lang.
Yeah, Jesse. Jesse. I'm gonna throw it to you. Uh-oh.
Oh, go.
Hey, Port Barton.
Wait lang. Pa-up mo muna. Up muna, up. Panjang, mahulog ka.
Hold ka lang kay Kuya. Wag ka.
Nasaan yung ano? Yan, oh. Want to go down? Sandali. Go down tayo. Sandali. Tara, look at there. Oh, go ka na dyan.
Wow!
Tara, feed them. Ah, Tara, feed them. Tara! Gusto rin ni baby.
Sige ma'am, i-feed nyo ma'am.
Nandyan. Nakuha ka kay kuya. Ano ni?
Galing ni Kuya.
Kuya. Ayun na. Agatin siya, hindi siya kagatin.
Sige ma'am, magkano ako mama?
Mahirap ka na mas doon, ma'am, para makatingin-tingin ka rin dito, ma'am.
Kuya! Sikat pala pag may buhay. Oh, Fred. Freddy, look at them.
Dito po sa akin at bigay si baby.
Ah, sige. Kaya kuya?
Opo naman.
Ah, sige. Baby, here. Oops, oops, oops. Give me Wala nang fish, kuya. Ayan na. Kaya Tara, come here. Ayan dito. Ah, dito sa video. Ayan, there. Tara, come here. Look at the fish. Takot mo siya. Go up na. Okay, let's go. Diyan na lang tayo sa stairs. Sa stairs lang tayo.
Dito na tayo. Sorry baby.
Let's go up
Ito,
na.
paano
Let's
ko
go up
ito
na.
Go
Let's go up na. Sige, kuya.
Apo, sige po.
Dance. Dance ka na, dali. Tara. Tara.
Excuse me. Wow, sarap. Thank you. Two, three. All good? Like it there? Going to the island? Birthday! It's your birthday?
I love you, Tita. I love you, Mama Jo. I love you, Kuya Aya.
You miss them?
Please download Play Voice.
I will send this video to them. Tell them that you miss them.
Sa kabila po. Saan daan? Dito po. ano? Pagbaba niyan, yan na rin.
Dogs.
Ito yan, jellyfish.
Oh, akit doon. Meron palang akyatan dito. Tarang! Bakit? Dito ipe-prepare yung food eh. Bakit?
Gusto mo pabuhat.
Magsawa kayo bukas sa ano? Ay magsawa kayo doon sa ano ba to? Saan na yun? Tala. Mag-swimming kayo buong araw.
Papa, there are so many jellyfish, diba?
No, there's so many dead jellyfish over there. Oh. We count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's a lot of them. I can count them all. But they're all dead na. You wanna touch them?
No, dangerous.
It's dangerous. Really? How dangerous? What will happen to you if you touch them? Itchy. Oh.
Like mosquito bite.
Oh.
Can we go down?
Can we? Yeah, we can. But don't get close to the jellyfish. Pancha. Ba't mo inaway si mami? Ha, ikaw talaga. Kiss mo na mami mo.
Slap.
Mommy, give me.
Kiss mo na mami mo.
Papa,
Kiss na.
Papa, can we go there?
Kiss mo na. Magkamukha kayo. Away mo pa yan. Kiss mo na mami. O, baba mo na siya. Down mo na si Pranchang.
Go down. Pride.
Pride. Ayaw talaga mag-kiss. Kiss mo na si mami. Dali. Wala ka na. Babay na kami.
Can we go to the jellyfishes?
Okay, let's
Many
go.
of them.
Huwag na. Baka mangati.
Get harder and harder. After you get
Na, yung mga bata yat, alam mo, nag-world tour sila. Ang dami na nilang pinupuntahan. Tuloy-tuloy daw yung pasyal nila.
You found? Perfect.
Perfecto.
there's so many. Many. The other one is alive.
Yeah, that one is dead now already.
She got sugated.
Sugat.
Yeah. Looks like a sad. Bye-bye. This is a wake up one.
No, that's dead.
Everything is dead, Ma. Papa.
Yes.
So,
No, so tigas oh. Oh, this one is different oh. A different color.
a purple. I like purple. Same color, but it's already died.
Already dead.
Same color. Go away from me.
Kick mo siya. Kick mo. It's okay.
Ooh,
You can touch the back, not just that one. That's the itchy part. Just this one.
different. Can we touch this?
There's ayan, alive yung mga yan. Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the water kasi. This is not alive.
Ano, dami nila dun.
Can we not closer? We're so far away now.
dito tayo, dito. Mami, Riyod. Tara, ikaw din.
Mami yung papa.
Kanta nga.
Mami yung papa.
Prepare na nila ang food namin. Pansit canton. Wala sa ano, dami nating ulam. Nakita ko linuluto nila kanina. Sobrang dami. Liempo, laking isda. Na-video ko yung kanina eh. Sarap dito. Port Bart. Ano nang pangalan ng isla na to, kuya?
Maxima Beach 1 po.
Maxima Beach 1. Okay. Be careful. Uy, yung anak ko pala nandoon na naman. Nakikipagkwentuhan na naman yung anak ko doon. Oh, yung anak ko na naman nandoon. Pinagyayabang niya yung crab niya. Hi! Uy, kiss mo si Papa. Sarap naman. I love you. What's that? Shell. Shell. Nandun si Mami. Pinuntahan niya yung kapatid mong Miss Congeniality. Nasundo na. Yummy food.
I found it too, Daddy.
Opo, pwede na po yung dagat, ma'am. Magkakamay po ba kayo? Pwede na po yung dagat, ma'am. Wala po kaming ano na... Kasi ang tubig namin dyan... Tubig namin dyan ay gripo. Which one? Tuna. Tuna.
Pili ka na lang mineral dyan. Sarap. What's that?
Ship of Greg.
Eh? Hermit crab.
It's nice, huh?
Look the next one.
Where are you taking, ate? Papalitan na natin yung mami mo? Papalitan natin yung mami mo? Pansin! Yan, ipapalit natin si mami mo? Sige, payag na ako. Yan, paano ba yan? Papalitan ka daw namin ni Francine ng ano, bago. Ayan, oh.
Pili ka na rin na sa'yo.
Ako pipili sa'yo, Yats. Ayun, oh.
Sweet squash, eggplant, string beans, and seasoning. And then we have a
Papa, do you
vegetable,
hold this?
curry, and then we have a salad. Also, and then we have a vegetarian lumpia. And also the
Pawis yan,
pancit
pawis lang.
canton. It's a Filipino
Just for
style.
pawis.
And then for the meat, we have tuna fish, we have giant chubara.
Day to you. And our birthday also. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, Francesca.
Alright, so
Happy birthday.
and bon appetit. Thank you. Attack.
Attack.
Guys, also we have fruits there. Wow, yeah. Yeah. Special one.
My mommy found it.
Tsura niya, ma'am.
Joe! Where's Joe?
Ako mambi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Joe and Tara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ate.
Baby. Baby Pansin. You can sit there, baby. Sit like this. Wow, thank you very much. She found it. And that's for you. We're done. Inom mo na. Ang laki. 350 lang. Sige ate, yan ito, itong malaki.
Yeah, and can you pusit? Rice and vegetables. Okay.
You wanna eat the fish? Huh? Yes, it's like the one that you ate at the beach. The fish.
How much is the chicken? 250 and this?
Grabe, lapo-lapo, 350 lang. Laki-laki. Hot water ka mo. May ka hot.